Today we're blending the world of coffee with a twist of nutty goodness. Get ready to whip up something truly special, a peanut butter cold brew. Hi, I'm Lizzie and I'm all about helping you make better coffee at home. So if that sounds like something you'd like, then subscribe. I love this recipe because not only does it give me a little boost in the mornings, it also fills me up and is super easy to make. Here's what you need. First, powdered peanut butter. I recommend using PBFIT, but we couldn't get it today, so we have a similar one here which is also low in calories and fat. Perfect for the health conscious. Then we have natural agave as our sweetener and almond milk for a dairy-free, vegan-friendly touch. Feel free to experiment. You could swap out the agave with honey or use other types of milk if you want. And of course, the star of the show, cold brew coffee, offering that essential energy kick. Our recipe today is simple yet effective, ideal for those busy mornings or midday slumps. Now, if you've seen our previous videos, you'll know that we've already got a killer cold brew recipe. It's super smooth and delicious. However, today we don't need the cleanest cold brew as the peanut butter powder negates the need for it. So we're using a super quick and easy method. All you need is a French press or a jar and a fine mesh sieve. Here's the rundown. We're using delicious medium roast coffee today with a 1:5 coffee to water ratio. We're halving the recipe today as we're just making one drink, but you can make this in a batch and keep it in the fridge for a couple of days. I'll put a link to the recipe down in the description below. Start by weighing out 30 grams of coffee beans and coarsely grind. We currently have 20% off coffee at the moment, so if that's something you want, then use the code on screen and the link in the description. Saturate them with 150 millilitres or 5 ounces of filtered water in your cold brew container. We're using a French press, but a jar works great too. Let that sit in the fridge for 12 to 20 hours depending on how strong you like it. I do this the evening before so it's ready to go when I wake up. After a good steep, separate the grounds from the water. This is where the French press makes things super easy. Just give it a plunge and there you have it. A robust cold brew ready to be transformed. Now for the fun part. Grab your cocktail shaker. We're adding 1 tablespoon of PBFIT. Half a teaspoon of agave syrup. So 150 mils or 5 ounces of freshly made cold brew. 150.4. And 1 ounce of almond milk, which is about 30 millilitres. Don't forget the ice for that refreshing chill. Shake it up well and let the magic happen. This is where all of our flavours blend into a refreshing, energising, delicious drink. So to serve, fill a cup with ice and strain over. There we have it. It's energising, simple, yet flavourful, vegan, dairy-free, and most importantly, incredibly refreshing. Whether you're a coffee enthusiast, a fitness buff, or just someone who loves a unique beverage, this recipe is sure to impress. As always, the recipe's in the description, so give it a try and let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious coffee recipes.